up, Tommy?
Not a lot, man. Just out here keeping these kids safe. We've got a bunch of cadets on track right now. A little party going on.
Nice. This is the other Tommy at the track.
Yeah.
You gonna get your own kart one day?
Yeah, that's the goal. I do a lot of sim racing, but I need to do something in real life. So I'd like to get a VLR or something like that, get my feet wet a little bit.
What are you doing?
Putting on the big SOTI steering wheel. Here, I'll show
What did you
this
used to have?
one. I had this one. Try to hold it up so you can see.
Put it up next to it?
Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, you can really see it there. So just a little bit wider diameter. I guess gives you a little bit more leverage in steering. We're gonna try it out. So
I've got the
I've never driven it. Oscar, he has.
I've got the big one. I like the big one way better than the smaller one I used to have.
Yeah.
I feel like it does give me more leverage. Yeah, look right here.
Trying to get the oxide.
I noticed it dangling in the last session. Yeah, shirt on.
Oh wow.
We can get that fixed.
Getting pizza B-roll? You are getting pizza B-roll?
I am getting, yeah, you're the B-roll right now. What are you eating there, Tommy?
Enjoying pizza?
What are we doing while we're enjoying pizza?
Trying to watch this one, right?
You're gonna try to restart for the second time? All right.
Oh, that was awesome. Oh. Of course it's the other house.
The other house.
Mazepin.
beads right here, I gotta unscrew those and it lets the air out, and there's 3 of them. So what you do is you just put these in here like that,
Yeah, you see that.
and you'll hear all the air just come out of it. That's it. Tires flat. So that one's out, and then what you have to do after this is there's the other 2. You don't have to take them completely out. You just have to bring them up in the rim, because if you don't, the tire, when you start to take it off, will get caught on there. And I've seen someone damage a wheel for not doing this. So the sidewall seated in to the rim, so I need to collapse it and knock it off so I can get the tire off of the rim. So I'll put these upside down, and then here we line this up with the edge right about there. Push down. It's off. Twist it 180, push it down. Now you can see the tires off the rim on this side, but it's still on this side. So we just flip it around, do the same thing. Now they're both off on both sides. Now the wheels, the tire's ready to be taken off the rim. So you put these in upside down. Here at DKC, they have this tire changing machine. There's other people that can do it by hand. It's kind of cool. I'm not that good. So if you look right here, all I'm doing is collapsing kind of this tire, and I'm going to wedge this piece of metal here and then collapse this side and pull at the same time, and it should go over the lip right there. And then with my foot, I'm going to hit this and go clockwise, and it'll come right off the rim. Like that. You remove it, and then to get it off all the way, you just pull it off. That's it. So the new tires come in with the plastic on them and the stickers, so just remove all that. All I do is just seat it on here and just twist it and push. It's on there. This is a little bit more difficult. Still takes me a little bit to do. Okay, so I've got this. What I have to do is get this lip underneath this metal part here, and it rotates all the way around clockwise, and it'll put the edge of the tire behind that lip of the rim. Press it down and slowly start. You can see I'm going to let it go. Oh, it slipped off. I'm going to do it again. Compress it a little bit. There it goes. Now it's in there. Just kind of work the tire off. All right, tire's on there pretty good. Now what we have to do is get the sidewall to butt up to the edge of the wheel on both sides. And the way you do that is you put the bead back in here so air can't escape. Not all the way though, because the inside of the wall may not be passed. Put this back in there so it keeps air from escaping. Spray a little bit of water or salt, whatever this is, in there. So what I'm going to do next is shoot this thing with air, and what's going to happen, it's going to pop twice like a firecracker. It always makes me nervous because it feels like the tire is going to explode, but it hasn't yet. So listen for the 2 big pops. Ow! There it is. So that's there. This thing is rock solid, so I'll just release the air out of it. Now I tighten these up, and when you tighten the beads up, you're not like cranking down on them, you're just snugging them up pretty good, and then we'll test to make sure there's no air escaping from anywhere. That's enough. Now it's pretty solid. And just take some liquid here and go over the beads. and I'm looking for any bubbling. That may happen. That one looks good. If air was leaking from one of these, it would look like this. Something like that. So I would know that air's leaking from it. I like shooting the stem as well, just to make sure we're good there. That's pretty much what we do when we change tires. Now I have 3 more to go, and we'll be brand new tires ready for race day.